comparison to the GDPR works on a superficial way. The language is similar, and at the end of the day, people will get privacy notices, and the use of personal data is restricted to certain purposes, and there are onward transfer provisions. And so it can fit within an existing global compliance framework, but on a not that much deeper level, this is a fundamentally different law. The EU is motivated fundamentally by protection of human rights, and I think China is fundamentally motivated by the assertion of sovereignty over the data within the country, that they want to control the information in the country and make sure that it is, and I don't mean to, I think the sympathetic reading of that is that they want the state to control that as opposed to having private companies control that. They don't want American tech companies to control it. They don't want Chinese tech companies to control it. They want the will of the people as embodied in the Chinese government to control how data is used in China. And that comes from a much different spot. And so you're going to see that in terms of much more localization. Cybersecurity has a much different meaning in that it's all about protection of the state and its environment fundamentally from outside influences. And there will be significant incongruities between a normal global data protection program that's kind of based on the GDPR and what you'd have to do to comply with PIPL. A lot more localization.